everyone, my name's Sarah and I'm one of the registered dietitians here at Preventous. Today I wanted to show you guys an easy way to make some overnight oats. Not only is it heart healthy, but it's also a lot of the items that you're going to find in your own pantry at home. What we're going to do is start out with 1/3 cup of dry oats. I use quick oats because I find it a lot easier for them to soak overnight and they're not crunchy like the steel cut ones in the morning. We'll start with about 2/3 of a cup of a milk or milk alternative. I like to use almond milk, but you can use any one that you enjoy. So we're going to pour that in. Then we have chia seeds, about 1 tablespoon. Chia seeds have great omega-3s in them for a good amount of heart health. What they also have in them is a lot of calcium and iron. So we're going to pour those in here too. These are what's going to absorb the almond milk and they're what's going to kind of make it a little bit of a thicker consistency. Next we have a nut butter. You can use any kind that you want. I'm using some natural peanut butter. Almond butter or cashew butter can work too. So we're going to pour that in here. And lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little natural sweetness. I'm going to use some maple syrup, but you can use some honey as well. That was a tablespoon of the peanut butter and it's going to be 1 tablespoon of the maple syrup as well. You can actually omit this ingredient if you want to, but I like to use it for a little bit of sweetness. So we're going to stir the whole mixture together, like so. You might have to mix it for a little bit just to make sure we get the peanut butter mixed in. And it's as easy as that. We're going to put this in the fridge for a little bit and we're going to make sure that it sets. I like to leave my oats in overnight, but you don't have to, at least a couple hours to let the chia seeds set. Then I like to top it with a 1/2 cup of raspberries. Those are my favorite, but any berry will do, or sliced banana. And here you go. Enjoy, guys.